Wow. Quit laughing. Wow.
Hiccups.
They're trying to come through.
So Jaime took charge of the situation. Good job. This thing working? Do you hear me? Turn it on now.
Yeah.
Let's see what this staff's got. Guys, I need to be on the bar now. Looks like your staff's on point when it comes to checking IDs. And one more time, Jaime to the rescue. This guy's got manager written all over. While Jaime takes control of the situation, back at the bistro,
Focus. Damn it.